Hello friends, so our before lecture, so we are already completed site direct mutagenesis. Okay, these are the techniques of this the site direct mutagenesis. So we are already discussed. Okay, so today's lecture we are discussing the protein engineering in this of the unit third of this the genetic engineering. Okay, so now we are discussing the protein engineering. So we know about the protein. Okay, protein it is made up of 20 different type of the amino acids. Okay, जर तुम्ही प्रोटीनचं स्ट्रक्चर पाहिलं असेल तर द प्रोटीन आर द four in this the structure, that is a primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure and the quaternary structure. Each of these the protein it is advanced in this of the manner. Okay, so in this you are study that the enzyme, so various types of the enzyme it is depends upon this the its structure to that of the specific to that of the substrate. Okay, all the enzymes are made up of the protein, but all the proteins are not made up of the enzymes. Okay, this is a concept are the important to the protein and the enzyme purposes. Okay, so protein engineering, so we know about that. So the various product of the gene expression it is about the protein. Okay, एखादं genes असेल, एखादं gene असेल, central dogma of the photosynthesis, you know that from to the DNA to RNA, RNA to protein. Okay, here is the central dogma of this the protein synthesis. First the DNA that is converted into the RNA, that is the process is known as a replication, and RNA to the protein, this is the process of DNA चा फर्स्ट ऑफ द रिप्लिकेशन होतो, त्याच्यानंतर त्याचा ट्रान्सक्रिप्शन होतो, देन इज ट्रान्सलेशन. ओके, फर्स्टली द DNA replicate itself to the using of the different type of the replicating enzyme, then the DNA is converted into the RNA. This is the process is known as a transcription, and this is the RNA that is converted into the protein. This is the process is a translation. Here is a known as a central dogma of this the protein synthesis. So we know the about that. So we are before lecture we are already discussed. Okay, any of these the protein, the any of these the genes in this of the DNA that is expressed in the form of the proteins, or these are the enzymes in the form of the enzymes, and this the enzyme it is made up of the different type of the 20 amino acid of this the protein. Okay, so this is purpose is that the protein engineering म्हणजे काय असेल, this is a concept is that so काहीतरी चेंजेस करावे लागतील कशामध्ये आपल्याला प्रोटीन्समध्ये. ओके, सो मी आधीच सांगितलं तुम्हाला एखादं जीन एक्सप्रेस झालं तर त्याचा प्रोडक्ट काय असतो, एन्झाईम असतो, आणि एन्झाईम इट इज मेड अप ऑफ द proteins. Okay, so these for to the various specific activities. Okay, so we are the changing in that of the enzymes protein for to the better attraction. So what is the application of this the protein engineering? So the application of this the protein engineering, so improvement in the stability of enzymes, enzymes we are already discussed. Enzymes are the protein, and here we are discussing the point it is a protein engineering. Okay, what is the application of this the protein engineering? Improvement in this the stability of this the enzymes. Okay, एखाद्या एन्झाईमची स्टॅबिलिटी इन्क्रीज करण्यासाठी पण आपण काय करतो, त्याच्यात इंजिनिअरिंग घडवून आणतो इन दिस ऑफ द प्रोटीन. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस द you know that the enzymes can be act on the specific temperature, specific pH. Okay, above the temperature, above the pH, above low the pH or low the temperature, they are not work out. Okay, for to increases for to the stability purposes, so we are carry out the some type of the changes can be occurred in this the molecular structure of this the enzyme, so results in that the stability occurring in that of the enzyme. So here is the application of this the protein engineering. Okay, another application of this the protein engineering, improvement in the catalytic activity. improvement in a catalytic activity. So you know that the enzyme works. So enzyme act on substrate, they form the enzyme substrate complex, then to form the enzyme are released, and then to the product are also released in these the reactions. Okay, here is the action of these the catalytic activity of the enzymes. It is a particular active site are the present on the enzymes for to the binding or to the particular substrate and then to the formation of the enzyme substrate complex. Here so you are focused on that the particular enzyme it is act on the particular substrate. For best example, the enzyme proteases it is acts on the प्रोटीन तो ऍक्ट होतो का सेल्युलोजवर, तो ऍक्ट होऊ शकतो का लिपिड्सवर, बिकॉज ऑफ इट इज ऍक्ट ऑन अ स्पेसिफिक सबस्टेट. But for to the changing of this the protein engineering through that of the enzyme, okay, then this is the enzyme it is binding to the another substrate also. This is also improvement in this the catalytic activity of that of the enzymes. Okay, here is also application of this the protein engineering. Okay, another third one application, change of the catalytic activity substrate specificity of this the enzyme. Okay, so here are already discussed, this is the same specification to understand the structure activity relationship. Structure activity relationship. Structure activity relationship. So we are already in this the protein engineering technique. So we are application is that the structural activity relationship. Okay, त्याच्यामध्ये स्ट्रक्चरल टू अंडरस्टँड करू शकतो आपण. काय अंडरस्टँड करू शकतो त्यांच्या स्ट्रक्चरल ॲक्टिव्हिटी मधला relationship. Okay, suppose these are the two enzymes, this is a wild type of the enzymes and the mutated enzymes through the protein engineering. So in this the activity of these the protein engineering enzymes to that of the particular substrate it is a different, and the wild type of the enzymes that to the substrate it is a different. Okay, so here we are also understanding to that of the protein engineering technology. Okay, so another application, enzyme purification made easy. ओके, तर आपण प्रोटीन इंजिनिअरिंग सुद्धा काय करू शकतो, एन्झाईमचं प्युरिफिकेशन पण सुद्धा इझी करू शकतो बिकॉज ऑफ द सम स्पेसिफिक receptors on that of the enzyme. So we are mutated on these the proteins of this the enzyme, so that binding to the particular receptors. Okay, these receptors through, so we are to the carry out this the purification technology. So it is also the application of this the protein engineering. Okay, so simple जर application सांगायचं म्हणलं असेल तर आपण एखाद्या एन्झाईमची म्हणजे the protein it is made up of the enzyme it is made up of the protein. Okay, in this the protein engineering to binding to the particular substrate to change its activity. Okay, these are to increases its specificity, to increases its stability, to increases its to resistant to the some of the environmental conditions. Okay, here is also application of this the protein engineering. Okay, त्या proteins मधने change घडवून आणणे through the mutation, through the mutagenetic agents or the spontaneous mutation. Okay, this is the protein engineering. Okay, here is the application for this application. So we are the using this technique, that is a protein engineering. Okay, so now we starting the what is a protein engineering. आता आपण पाहणार आहोत what is a protein engineering. हे त्याचे applications होते, त्याच्यामुळे आपण काय केलं, protein engineering technology adapt केली. Okay, what is the techniques of the protein engineering? So techniques is used for the protein engineering fall into the two basic categories. तर protein engineering ची दोन कॅटेगरी मध्ये डिवाइड केलेले आहेत. फॉर टू द चेंजेस ऑफ दिस द प्रोटीन दॅट इज अ genetic modification and the chemical modification. Genetic modification and another is a chemical modification. There is a two types of the techniques are involved for to the protein engineering, that is a genetic modification and the another one is a chemical modification. So in this the genetic engineering paper we are remaining we are to the studying that the recombinant DNA technology. Okay, the genetic changes. Okay, genetic changes म्हणजे काय, तर एखादं जीन असेल तो स्पेसिफिक प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस करत असेल तर आपण काय करतो, तो जीन त्याच्यामध्ये इन्सर्ट करतो त्या ऑर्गॅनिझम्समध्ये. तर याच्यामध्ये काय करणार आपण जेनेटिक मॉडिफिकेशनमधली, तो आपल्याला जो स्पेसिफिक आपल्याला जो इम्पॉर्टंट आहे, इन्व्हायरमेंटल असो किंवा एखादा इकॉनॉमिकल असो किंवा एखादं इंडस्ट्रियल लेवल असणार, तो एन्झाईम आपण काय करणार, तो एन्झाईम सिंथेसिस करणारा तो जीन फर्स्टली आयसोलेट करणार. ते असो मग जीन बँकेमधून आयसोलेट करू शकतो आर्टिफिशियली किंवा आपण डायरेक्टली नॅचरल सोर्सेसपासून सुद्धा आपण काय करतो, आयसोलेट करत असतो. These are the gene isolated. After then we are introduced into that of the organisms, and after these the transcription and the translation of replication, transcription and the translation of these the genes in that of the host organisms. After these so we are isolating that of the product. Okay, समजा तो जीन त्या वाईल्ड टाईप ऑफ द ऑर्गॅनिझममध्ये प्रेझेंटच नसेल तर आपण काय करणार, ते आर्टिफिशियली त्याच्यात इन्सर्ट करणार. सिंपल आहे. आपण विविध प्रकारचे टेक्निक्स आतापर्यंत पाहत आहोत. रिकॉम्बिनंट डीएनए टेक्नॉलॉजीमध्ये आपण वेक्टर्सने ट्रान्सफर करू शकतो. ओके, त्या होस्ट ऑर्गॅनिझम्समध्ये अनादर आहेत, केमिकल अँड फिजिकल मेथडसुद्धा आहेत की त्याच्यामुळे आपण तो जीन ट्रान्सफर करू शकतो. ट्रान्सफेक्शन आहे. ओके, दिस इज ऑल्सो द टाइप्स ऑफ द ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन ऑफ दिस द जीन टू दॅट ऑफ द ऑर्गॅनिझम्स. ओके, तर आपण काय करतो, डिफरंट टाईप ऑफ द जेनेटिक मॉडिफिकेशन करून ते जीन्स त्याच्यामध्ये ट्रान्सफर करू शकतो. ओके, सो इट इज अ प्रोटीन इंजिनिअरिंग. ओके, ते जीन्समध्येच आपण काय करणार, त्याचा जीनचं चेंज करून टाकणार. ओके, दिस इज अ जेनेटिक मॉडिफिकेशन. इन दिस द जेनेटिक मॉडिफिकेशन, these are the two types, that is a site direct mutagenesis and the localized random mutagenesis. साइट आहे आणि localized random mutagenesis. These are the two types of the genetic modification, that is a site direct mutagenesis and the localized random mutagenesis. Okay, site direct mutagenesis, so we are already in detail discussed in our the before lectures. Okay, site मध्ये particular site of that of the molecule can be changes through the different techniques involved for to this the site direct mutagenesis. Okay, mutation म्हणजे काय, suddenly change in that of the DNA or the RNA of that of the organism, so it is known as a mutation. Okay, it is not present in the wild type of the organism, so it is artificially we are prepared through the different type of the techniques are involved for to the mutations. Okay, what is a localized random mutation? Localized random means it is defined to as any site. Okay, localized means to the any localized site of that of the molecule can be changes to the genetically. Okay, so it is known as a localized random genetics. Okay, in this the 3D structure known and the structural activity relationship is known. ओके, याच्यामध्ये आपण काय करू शकतो, त्याचा 3D स्ट्रक्चर वगैरे काय करू शकतो, चेंजेस करू शकतो. ओके, अँड अनदर प्रोटीन इंजिनिअरिंग इज अ केमिकल मॉडिफिकेशन. ओके, केमिकल मॉडिफिकेशन इट इज ऑफ द टू टाइप्स, that is a functional group site chain is change. Functional group site change it to be changed, and another it is a parts of original protein modification and the replace. Parts of protein in original is changed. Okay, these are the chemical modification. Simple that is a different type of the chemicals we are acquiring for to the changing for to that of the particular site of that of the DNA. So we are already discussed in our the before lecture. So different type of these the chemicals, that is a disrupt this damage of that of the nucleotides on that of the molecules. Okay, so SDS type of these the chemicals are the preferable for to the chemically mutation occurring in that of the molecules. Okay, तर त्या chemical modification मध्ये काय होतात, functional group of the side chain of that the protein are also changed. You know that the protein structure, in this the protein structure that contain the many types of the functional groups, amino acid, basic, neutral, acidic. Okay, so these in this the chemical modification, this is a functional group, it is important for to the particular stability purposes also and to the binding to the particular substrate also. So for this the chemical modification, so we are using to the different type of the chemical to change of this the functional side of that of the protein. It result that to it is a increasing increasing the stability also, increasing to the pH, temperature, increasing to the particular substrate to increases the catalytic activity, okay, that can be occur through that of the chemical modification, that is a functional or the side chain group are to be changed. Another chemical modification is a parts of this the ओरिजिनल प्रोटीन मॉडिफिकेशन अँड द रिप्लेस. तर ओरिजिनल प्रोटीन्समध्ये काहीतरी पार्ट्स असतील आणि काहीतरी मॉलिक्युलर सिक्वेन्स असेल किंवा अमायनो ॲसिडचा सिक्वेन्स असेल, तो त्याद्वारे काय होणार, त्या एखाद्या सबस्टेटवर ते ॲक्ट होणार टू पर्टिक्युलर ॲक्टिव्हिटी. सो इन दिस द केमिकल, सो वी आर युझिंग फॉर दिस द केमिकल, सो दे आर द चेंजिंग टू द normal of that of the sequence of this the amino acid also, some of the functional group also, carboxylic group also, terminal group also is changed. सिंपल काय आहे, जे की वाईल्ड टाईप प्रोटीनमधले जे सिक्वेन्स जे नॉर्मली प्रेझेंट होते ते काढून त्याच्यात दुसरं सिक्वेन्स आर्टिफिशियली चेंज करणं, तर त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण, पार्ट्स ऑफ द ओरिजिनल प्रोटीन मॉडिफाईड अँड इट इज अ रिप्लेस्ड. ओके, सो हियर इज अ two types of the protein engineering, that is a genetic modification also and the chemical modification are the also. So especially the chemical modification process, it is acquired in this is the in vitro condition. Genetic modification is in vitro also, but is in situ are also applied, but it is a chemical modification, it is also in situ or ex situ also the engineering. Okay, so here we are completed the what is the protein engineering, what is the techniques of this the protein engineering and the application of this the protein engineering. Okay, so next lecture we are discussing the next point on this the unit 3rd of this the genetic engineering. Okay, thank you for joining this video.